Good evening, guys. In this session, I am going to explain document object model DOM. It is the most important topic in JavaScript scripting language. So DOM stands for document object model. So DOM describes the structure of HTML document. When browser receives HTTP response from the server, first DOM tree will be constructed. Okay, imagine, for example, you have given Facebook request to the server. Okay, then server will respond and send some HTTP response to the client. Okay, then first client will construct DOM tree for this response. So after construction of DOM tree, then only the output will be visible to the user. Okay, so this is what is called a rendering also. Okay, when a server sends some response to the browser will construct DOM tree first. So after construction of DOM tree, then only output will be displayed to the user. Okay, DOM plays a very major role in displaying the output. Okay, so I will show you an example. So this is a rough example of DOM tree. So observe here, window is the topmost element. So next hierarchy is document, next hierarchy is HTML. So under HTML there are two tags, head tag and body tag. So under head tag there is a title tag. Also head tag contain many other tags also. Okay, no issue. So body tag contains, for example, paragraph tag, text box, checkbox, so on, image tag. Okay, maybe paragraph tag contains many other tags. Okay, like this one DOM tree will be constructed. Okay, using this DOM tree we can set or retrieve values for these HTML input elements. You see here, every node represents a HTML element. See here, this is a HTML element, HTML element, HTML element, HTML. Okay, everything is a HTML element. Then it describes the mechanism to set or retrieve HTML values for the given HTML document. For example, I want to set value for this paragraph. Then I will use this DOM tree. So paragraph is under body tag. So body tag is under HTML. HTML is under document. So document is under window. So I will write like window dot document dot let me write it as body dot p. Okay, like this I will follow certain mechanism to set or retrieve values. Okay, also there are some predefined functions also there. For example, document.getElementById, document.getElementByNames to set or retrieve these values. Okay, so DOM tree contains root element as HTML input element. Okay, under HTML element there are two subnodes. First one is head and the second one is body tag. So head tag contains title node as a child node, and body tag contains many input elements like text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, list boxes, buttons, and so on. Okay, the tree continues till the closing HTML tag encounter. See here, I have placed some dots. So this tree will be constructed like this. Okay, so to set or retrieve values in the HTML document using DOM, we can use two functions. Okay, the first function is document.getElementById and the second one is document.getElementsByName. Okay, these two functions are useful in setting or getting the values in the DOM tree. So or you can use alternatively, like for example document dot, for example your form is f1, so f1, for example your text box is t1. Okay, for example you want to set value, then you can give like text box value hello viewers. This is another mechanism. Okay, you can also retrieve values, like for example where a equal to document dot, okay, form name dot input value dot value. This is another mechanism. Either you can use this type of mechanism or you can go with document.getElementById or document.getElementByName. Okay, in the next session we are going to discuss about document.getElementById.